Hello students, already we have discussed some of the problems in the topic matrices. So we'll continue the same. So next problem will be construct 2 by 2 matrix 2 by 2 matrix 2 by 2 matrix whose elements are given by Aij is equal to I plus j whole square divided by 2. So now construct a 2 by 2 matrix whose elements are given Aij as I plus j whole square divided by 2. So first we have to write the general matrix. The general matrix A is equal to, so since it is a 2 by 2, so only 4 entries, A11, A12, A21, A22, so this is of order 2 by 2. Next we have to calculate the elements A11, A12, A21 and A22. So first Aij is given, so Aij is equal to I plus j whole square divided by 2, I plus j whole square divided by 2. So we have to calculate all the values. A11, so A11 is equal to 1 plus 1 whole square divided by 2, so that will be 1 plus 1 whole square, 2 square by 2 is 2. Next A12 will be 1 plus 2 whole square by 2, so 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 square is 9, 9 by 2 is 9 by 2. Then A21, 2 plus 1 whole square divided by 2, so again it is 9 by 2. Then A22 will be 2 plus 2 whole square divided by 2, so 16 by 2 is 8. 16 4 square, 16 by 2 is 8. Therefore matrix A is equal to, the elements are 2, 9 by 2, again 9 by 2 and 8. So this is the required matrix. So matrix A is this much. So by considering Aij we can calculate this matrix. So this is one problem. Next one, construct a 3 by 4 matrix. So next will be construct a 3 by 4 matrix. Next problem, construct a 3 by 4 matrix. 3 by 4 matrix whose elements are given by Aij equal to half into 3i minus 3i plus j. So we have to construct a 3 by 4 matrix whose elements are given by Aij is half into minus 3i plus j. So again first we have to write what is the general matrix. So general matrix will be A is equal to 3 rows, A11, A12, A13, A14, 4 columns, then A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34, A34. So this is general matrix. Now we have to calculate each element. So Aij is given by, Aij is half into magnitude of or modulus of minus 3i plus j, minus 3i plus j. So we can calculate A11 is half into minus 3 into 1 plus 1. So minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. So minus 2 magnitude will be plus 2. So it will be 1. It will be 1. Then A12 will be half into minus 3 into 1 plus 2. So minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So magnitude will be plus 1. So it is 1 by 2. Next A13 will be half into minus 3 into 1 plus 3. So minus 3 plus will be 0. So it will be 0. Next A14 half into minus 3 into 1 plus 4. So minus 3 plus 4 is plus 1. So it is again 1 by 2. Then A21 will be half into minus 3 into 2 plus 1. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. So it is 5 by 2. A22 is equal to half into minus 3 into 2 plus 2. So minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. So plus 4 by 2 is 2. Then A23 is equal to half into minus 3 into 2 plus 3. So minus 6 plus 3 is 3. So 3 by 2. A24 is equal to half into minus 3 into 2 plus 4. So minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2 is 2. A31 will be half into minus 3 into 3 plus 1. So minus 3 is a minus 9. Minus 9 plus 1 is a minus 8. So it is 4. So it is 4. Then A32 will be half into minus 3 into 3 plus 2. So minus 3 into 3 is minus 9. Minus 7 is 7 by 2. A33 half into minus 3 plus 3. So minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6 by 2 is 3. So hence it is a modulus. So we are taking only positive value. Next A34 half into minus 3 into 3 plus 4. So 9 minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5. Modulus will be plus 5. So it is 5 by 2. Therefore matrix A is equal to matrix A will be 1 half, then 0, 1 half, 0, then half, after that A21 will be 5 by 2, 2, 5 by 2, 2, 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 2, 3 by 2, then again is 2, then 4, 7 by 2, 4, 7 by 2, 3, 5 by 2. So this is the matrix 1, half, 0, again half, 5 by 2, 2, 3 by 2, 2, 3 by 2 is a 2, then 4, 7 by 2, 3 and 5 by 2. So answer A to 4 is minus 6, 2. So this will be 1. This will be 1. So this is the answer for this. So this is a matrix of order A. Next question will be next question. Next is homework problems. I'll give homework. Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. 2 cross 2 matrix whose elements are given by A I J is equal to I by J, and one more, A I J is equal to I plus 2J whole square divided by 2. So there are two problems. Aij is I by j, and one more is Aij is equal to I plus 2j whole square divided by 2. Next one, construct a 3 by 4 matrix whose elements are given by Aij is equal to 2i minus j. So complete these two problems. One is to construct 2 by 2 matrix and one is to construct 3 by 4 matrix. Next we'll solve some other kind of problems. So next is if a matrix of x plus 3, z plus 4, 2y minus 7, minus 6, a minus 1, 0, b minus 3, minus 21, 0, that is equal to 0, 6, 3y minus 2, minus 6, minus 3, 2c plus 2, 2b plus 4, minus 21 and 0. If these two are the matrices are given, find the values of A, B, C, X, Y and Z. X, Y and Z. So this is given, two matrices are equal. So this is one matrix and this is one more matrix. It is given these two matrices are equal. So we have to find out the values of A, B, C, X, Y and Z. And we know that when two matrices are equal, the first thing is The order should be equal. So this is of order 3 rows and 3 columns, so 3 by 3. So this is also 3 by 3. So these two matrices are equal. And when what is the one more condition for equality of matrices? The corresponding element should be equal. If the corresponding elements are equal, then we can say two matrices are equal. Now it is given that two matrices are equal, so we have to consider the corresponding elements are equal. So what we can consider? So from the equality, or we can write since the matrices are equal, the corresponding elements are equal. Since the matrices are equal, the corresponding elements are equal. So we can compare the matrices. The first entry A11 is x plus 3. Here A11 is 0. So we can compare. We can say these two elements are equal. And A12 element is z plus 4. Here it is 6. So we can write z plus 4 is equal to 6. And third element, that is equal. So we can write x plus 3 equal to 0. Then z plus 4 is equal to 6. Then 2y minus 7 is equal to 3y minus 2. That can be right. So we can calculate x, y and z from this. Next we want to find out a and b, ABC values. So a minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Then 2c plus 2 is equal to 0. 2c plus 2 is equal to 0. And one more is a condition for b. B minus 3 is equal to 2b plus 4. B minus 3 is equal to b plus 4. So these are the values, or we can get the equation from the given matrices. So we can write z plus 3 equal to 0. So this implies what? X is equal to minus 3. X plus 3 is 0. X is equal to minus 3. And here z is equal to 2. Here when we solve this equation, so we are getting minus y, or y is equal to take 2y to one more side, so 3y minus 2y is y. Then a minus 7 plus 2 is a minus 5. So y is minus 5. Then a is equal to 4. Then c is equal to minus 1. So 2c plus 2 is 0, means 2c is minus 2, c is minus 1. So here we can write 2b, when I take that to one more side, so that becomes b. So b is equal to minus 7. So these are the values of a, b, c, x, y, z. So it is when the matrices are equal. Next problem is to find out find the values of A, B, C and D, A, B, C and D from the equation equation means that is given in terms of matrix 2a plus b, a minus 2b, 5c minus d, 4c plus 3d. This is equal to 4 minus 3, 11, 24. So now it is also given two matrices are equal. So we have to find out what is the value of A, B, C and D. Now the matrices are equal, therefore since the matrices are equal, the corresponding elements are equal. Therefore we are getting 2A plus B is equal to 4. 2A plus B is equal to 4, and one more, A minus 2B is equal to minus 3, and 5C minus D is equal to 11. 4C plus 3D is equal to 24. So we got the relation. Now we have to solve this. Now it is a simultaneous equation in terms of A and B. This is the equation in terms of A and B, and this is the equation in terms of C and D. So we have to solve these equations to get the value of A and B. So here also we have to solve these two equations. So we can solve this equation by adding or multiplying. So what I'll do is I'll multiply equation 1 by 2. I'll multiply this equation by 2. So we are getting 4A plus 2B is equal to 8, and one more, A minus 2B is equal to minus 3. So now what we have to do, we have to add by adding what we get, 5A is equal to 5. This implies A is equal to 1. 5A is equal to 5, and this can be cancelled. 8 minus 3 is 5, so 5A is equal to 5, so A is equal to 1. Therefore 1 minus 2B is equal to minus 3. So 2B is equal to 1 minus 2B is equal to minus 3. So 2B is equal to 1 plus 3 is 4. So this implies B is equal to 2. So we got the value, A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2. Next we'll solve the next equation. So what I'll do is I'll multiply this equation by 3. So we are getting 15C minus 3D is equal to 33. Then 4C plus 3D is equal to 24. By adding what we get, 15 plus 4 is 19. 19C is equal to 33 plus 24 is 57. So this implies C is equal to 3. C is equal to 3. Then when C is equal to 3, 5 into 3 minus D is equal to 11. So D is equal to D can be get. So 15 minus 11. 15 minus 11 is 4. So the values of A, B and C. Therefore A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, D is equal to 4. So this is the value of A, B, C and D. Next one. Next problem. find the values of x, y and z from the following equations. From the following equations, x plus y to 5 plus z x into y is equal to 6 2 5 8. 6 2 5 8. So similarly we can solve this also. So answer, since the matrices are equal, the corresponding elements are equal. So x plus y is equal to 6, 5 plus z is equal to 5, xy is equal to 8. So we'll solve this later.